Amazing people, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to have you all here today. So we are making porridge yam today. You can agree with me that yam seems to be very dry and at the same time sweet. Now we're going to be making use of some chopped okra. Yes, okra for this recipe. We're also going to make use of some stock cube and salt. We'll make use of some blended pepper mix. We have in 2 red bell pepper, 4 Scotch bonnet pepper, and 1 medium-sized onion already blended. We are also going to make use of chopped onion for this recipe. We'll make use of some blended crayfish. Okay. We are also going to be making use of some smoked fish. This is actually smoked Titus fish. You can make use of dry fish if you want. We're going to be making use of African oil bean. Now, this is a game changer for this recipe. You will love it. We are making use of some baby spinach. You can pretty much use any vegetable of your choice, ugba or any vegetable of choice. We're making use of palm oil. And of course, the star of the dish. Without further ado, guys, let's get right started into this video. So the first part, we are going to be preparing the sauce for this porridge yam. So we go in and add some red palm oil and allow it to heat for some time. Just allow it to melt. We're not going to be bleaching this oil basically. So allow it to heat for some time, and then we'll go ahead and add our chopped onion into the dish. We'll give it a quick stir and allow it to fry until it's translucent. Okay, at this time, the onions has released its flavors in the oil. We're going to go ahead and add the blended pepper mix into the mixture and give it a quick stir to combine properly. Okay, at this point, you can see it's already looking beautiful. Now, even if you boil that yam at this point and eat it with this mixture, trust me, you're going to enjoy it, because yam seems to be very sweet at this time, but at the same time hard. So guys, we're going to go ahead and add the stock cube and the salt to this dish, and then we'll mix it, give it a quick turn, a quick mix rather, to combine properly. And we're not going to end at this point. We'll also go ahead and add some of the blended crayfish into this dish. We're basically adding half or quarter of the blended crayfish. All right, half of the blended crayfish into the dish. And we'll give it a quick stir to combine properly. And we're going to allow this to fry for the next 5 minutes, after which we come back and see what it looks like. Now guys, this has been frying for 5 minutes. You can see it's looking very okay. I do not want it to be extremely dry, so I'm okay with this. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with the rest part of the cooking. I'm going to add the already cut into bite-sized yam into the pot. I'm also going to go ahead and add some water to the level of the yam. I will not want to add so much water to this because I wouldn't want it to be too watery. Neither will I want it to be too thick. I just want basically a normal porridge yam. So I'll make sure everything sink into the water very well. And then at this point, I'll go ahead and add the sauce I made earlier to the dish. I don't know if you've noticed, at this time of the year, yam used to be very sweet, though dry, but used to be very sweet, that anything you prepare it with, even if you like take it with palm oil, it will be so sweet. So guys, I'm going to be adding the smoked fish at this point. Remember, I said you can use dry fish if you want, but I'm using smoked fish. I will just spread it across the whole dish and allow it to combine properly. At this point also, guys, I'm going to add the remaining part of the blended crayfish to this dish and give it a quick stir, not too much, just allow it to combine properly so that it won't start burning at the bottom. And then guys, I'll cover this and allow it to cook for the next 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, guys, you can see it's looking beautiful. So look at that, look at that, look at that, guys. It's looking so yummy, but trust me, at this point it's still very strong. So we are going to go ahead and add the game changer in this dish, and that is the African oil bean. Trust me, if you've not tried, trust me, guys, African oil bean is a game changer in this dish. If you've not been trying it, please try it. You're going to definitely love it. So guys, this is a game changer. Just try it, you will love it. I'll cover it up and allow it to cook for the next 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what we have. At this point, the yam is so tender. Yeah, it's so tender at this point that you can pretty much eat it this way. You can see how beautiful it is already looking. So go ahead and test it for salt or see if there's anything lacking, because we're going to be going in with some of the vegetable, or rather one of the vegetable at this point. So the test is okay, it's not lacking salt or Maggi or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and add some chopped okra. Now you'll be wondering, why will someone add okra to porridge yam? Trust me when I said this gives this dish a very unique taste. It makes the dish very sweet. It makes the yam very lush. And at the same time, you know yam is very hard at this point. It makes you chew this yam and swallow it with ease. So I'm going to allow this to cook for the next 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, guys, this is what we have. You can see that the okra is still very much fresh. I do not like overcooking my veggies, so I'm going to go ahead and add the already chopped baby spinach. Remember, I said you can pretty much use any vegetable of your choice. You can use ugu leaf, you can use kale, you can use any vegetable of your choice for this recipe, and trust me, you will have an amazing result at the end of it all. So I am going to cover it up and allow it to cook for the next 2 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like. Now viola, our porridge yam is 98% ready. I'm going to turn it, give it a quick mix to combine properly, and guys, just look at that. Look at that. It's so beautiful. It's so yummy. The taste is amazing. At this point, my kitchen is boom, 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 boom. It's giving an amazing aroma. Now, guys, thank you for watching up to this point. If you've not subscribed, like, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. Until I come your way next time, I want you to know that I love you and I appreciate